Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through a handy new feature on Facebook, how you can now customize exactly who gets to see your region information on the Facebook app for PC. This is especially useful if you want to keep your location details private or share them only with certain friends or groups. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your PC. You'll want to make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will take you to your account page, where you can manage all sorts of personal details. Next, you'll notice a few options across the top, things like Timeline, About, Friends, and so on. Click on About. This section is where Facebook keeps most of your profile information, including your work, education, places you've lived, and, of course, your region. Inside the About section, look for the Overview area. Here, you'll find a summary of your profile details. Scroll down until you see the line that says Region. Right next to it, you'll spot a small audience icon. It usually looks like two people or a globe. Click on that icon. When you click the audience icon, a new window will pop up. You'll see several options for who can view your region information. For full control, choose Custom. This lets you tailor your audience exactly how you want. Now, you can fill in the custom fields. Maybe you want only your best friends or family to see your region, or perhaps you want to exclude certain people. You can set it up however you like. Once you've made your selections, just click the Save button at the bottom. That's it. You've just customized who can see your region on Facebook. This update makes it so much easier to manage your privacy and keep your personal information exactly where you want it. Remember, you can always go back and change these settings anytime, so don't worry if you change your mind later. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media settings. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Facebook feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.